This is a video tutorial for anyone using the Dexcom G5 app for their phone and have bought a Galaxy watch. It's the newest watch in the Galaxy line, and if you're struggling to get the Dexcom 5 to read your blood sugar on the phone itself or on the watch itself, then you're going to need to install these different apps here. So first of all, to be even able to see your Galaxy watch, you're going to want the Galaxy Wear app. So we're going to go over here and check your phone. If you have an Android phone or a Samsung phone in particular, you probably already have the Galaxy Wearable app installed. It came pre-installed on the Note 9, so I had no problems being able to pair my device. So you just click that three-dot menu, add new device. As you can see, my Galaxy watch is already connected, so I'm not going to run through that process. This is mostly about the Dexcom 5 app and getting it to read your blood sugar on your watch. So when you go down and once you've paired your app and everything, you're going to want to make sure you have that Dexcom G5 mobile app. So as you can see right here, it's paired with the transmitter. It's reading the blood sugar. The one thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have an actual account with Dexcom. So you want to be able to sign in and go to their website so that you can upload your data and everything. And so this other app we're going to install can actually connect to your app and know who you are and whatnot. So you're going to have an online account with Dexcom. So go to the Dexcom website and log in, register your transmitter, your CGM, and with your app. So as you can see here, if I go to the three-dot menu and settings, I can look at my transmitter, and my transmitter number, the serial number should be on it, and that's on the back of the transmitter itself, the thing you're putting in your arm. That is your transmitter. You want to have that serial number activated and inside this app, recognizing it, and right there you can see Dexcom account, and you can go ahead and log in and make sure that the account data, whenever you back it up or share it with another person even, it's always going to be current. So what my wife's done also is gone in there and added me on the ability to be able to see her blood sugars at the same time. So that's going to be this little triangular dot section, and right there I can see that she got the sharing option on, and then here I am as one of her followers, so I can actually download the Follow app on the Dexcom website and be able to see her blood sugars all the time. So we had some troubles at the beginning thinking this was just going to be easy and we could see it as a watch face on her phone and be able to just pull up that blood sugar right away, but that was not the case. We actually had to download another app to be able to get it to work. So what you'll want to do is go to this website here, and let me hit this share button here, or share this web page so you can actually see the link. I'm going to put it in a Gmail link here. So it's going to be github.com/StephenBlack-was-already-taken/Nightwatch/master/download.md. Just type that into your address bar and hit enter, and you should be able to get taken to this particular web page. The top download is the current version, so you can go ahead and click that, and then it'll allow you to save that APK file. It's going to end in .apk. So when I click this, it's going to ask me if I want to download, and click download, and I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do it again. But it'll go into your downloads folder, click open. It's probably going to give you some prompts about this is not a authorized app. Are you sure you want to install it? You have to enable unknown sources. Make sure you just click yes, and take you to the place where you would enable the unknown source, and it'll allow you to install that APK. So once you install Nightwatch, you're going to go down to your apps drawer, and you'll find Nightwatch right there. There's the app, and then we're going to go ahead and open that. And the first thing you're going to want to do, again, three-line menu, go down to settings, and you can set high and low levels and your acceptable ranges and whatnot. You really don't have to check mark anything in particular to get this to actually work, but what you're wanting to do is read from the Dexcom share. So I'm not positive that you have to enable sharing. Like, I set myself up to be able to see my wife's blood sugar, so maybe that is what's enabling that. That's where it's pulling in its data. That's what I am assuming and interpreting by that being check marked. So you would probably want to set up an account share with maybe your spouse or some loved one that maybe would want to see your blood sugar levels at a certain time. So you go ahead and check mark that, and then you're going to choose the Dexcom account login name and the password. Once you set that information, you should be, and then the last one, watch integration. Make sure you check Android Wear integration, because that's what kind of watch this is. And then you're going to click back, and you should see this syncing. If you don't see some data in here or your blood sugar starting to sync, as you can see, I can only see 2 dots. So well, my wife just changed her transmitter out, and so it's not picking up a lot of data yet. So it just started syncing with her though 14 minutes ago. It tells you in that upper left hand corner, and so it may take some time before you see that, but then it's going to show up as a watch face here. And one other app you're going to have to install is called Wearable Widgets. So if I go to my app store again, you're going to want to search the Play Store for Wearable Widgets right here. And once you open that, you're going to want to be able to create a widget. So you click that plus sign. It's going to tell me I need to upgrade to be able to add another widget. But once you click the plus sign, it's going to ask you which app you want to choose from. And you choose Nightwatch. And you got 2 different styles or sizes of widgets that you can add. I chose the smaller one and the bigger one, and it looked almost identical both times. So once you have that widget there, then you would go to your phone, and when you scroll all the way to the end, you get an option for add widget, and then it's going to ask you what kind of widget you want. You probably also need, I believe we had to go to the Galaxy App Store and download Wearable Widgets on this as well. So search Wearable Widgets on the watch through the Galaxy Store as well, and then there it is right there. Once you select that, you're going to see that you can then see the widget that you created in your Wearable Widgets app, and you can only add one at a time, so unless you pay for the full version. So we only have the one widget available, and as you can see right there, there's the blood sugar 213. That's the exact widget that you would see. And we also can add it to the home screen now of your phone too. So she has the Dexcom app reading in the background when you do the notification thing, and then also she has that widget immediately there, and then now it works on the watch too. So again, the 3 apps you need, most importantly, 4 apps, the Dexcom G5 mobile app, and then you want that Galaxy wearable app so that you can talk to your watch, and then you want the Nightwatch app. That's what's going to talk to your Dexcom app and pull in the data, so you got that widget. And then to be able to have that widget, you need wearable widgets. So hopefully that helps you guys. That was a challenge to try to get this thing to talk to each other, but hopefully this helps you out. Have a great day.